This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World through Tanvir Kazmi. And today I want to talk again, it's very important, the world issue, especially from so many years between Palestine and Israel. There is still, we see, don't hope, any hope that will resolve the issue. So many people died, both sides, and so many efforts has been taken by the entire world. United Nations, they also try to help. Entire world's leaders visited both sides to calm them down, and we don't see any still hope. They are continue giving each other's statements top level, and they continue killing each other's leaders and people. And definitely, it's very sad news for me and for the entire world. Those who see, they wanted to see this area to be progress, where people were hungry. They want to see this flourish with a lot of enjoyment and happiness, because this is a very important place where even not only for all three major religions, for entire world peace is very important that we have to resolve as soon as possible. Things are getting really late, and keep in your mind a humanity, O children of Adam and Eve. God continues telling you in Torah, Gospel, and Quran, beware of the Satan, the devil. He is your enemy. He can see you from where you cannot see him and his children. Their job is to fail you in face of God. He wants us to take most majority of us into the fire of hell to burn there forever. We need to learn this world is very small. This life is very short. We need to be very careful what we're doing. We need our best to try to bring together. Many times I see both leaders say Abrahamic faith, when we all know that our both all three major religions has the same father, grandfather Abraham, who brought unity between all the believers. He brought best guidelines to guide us. The Jesus, Moses, Abraham, the Prophet Muhammad came to guide humanity, to bring them from darkness into light. So why we are trapped into their system? I understand the injustice has been done, precious life has been taken both sides, but it is okay to stop now. Enough life has been taken, enough properties has been damaged. This is, are we waiting for the God's punishment now to stop us? He has a hope from the believers, the people who follow his guidelines, that they will help him prevail to bring peace in the world. But we continue failing. We cannot be trapped by the people who does not want peace. Killing one or two or three people does not mean that it is maybe done by third party who does not want peace into us. We have to be very careful. We were having big approach, very successful approach, interfaith dialogue between many nations. Even a lot of people went into Israel, and their churches and temples and mosques has a great interfaith dialogue which helped bringing peace together. But again, as incident happened, and again they start killing each other. This is not going to stop. Keep in your mind that Satan is human enemy. God says, he said, give me time up to judgment day so I can continue to divorce your people and destroy their images in front of you, because you chose them for leadership in entire universe. He's jealous, so he's not going to stop. Don't expect 100% peace all the time. But our job is, if incident happen, if a crime happen, we punish the people who did crime. We cannot punish the people who are innocent, or the people who have no have done nothing. For example, if somebody come to my house or somebody's house and they rob, they kill the people, should we kill the entire city? Should we kill the entire world now? Because why this happened to us? That is not justice. We need to learn why. I think this was no doubt, it was very painful that we lost many human life, but justice was done immediately. They all attackers were killed. Every person was gone. Why we took extra measures to now blaming entire world and every country? If there's a problem, sit down together, listen, and you also talk. Both party has to listen. We need to stop now. Not only you're destroying your own peace, but you're is destroying the peace of the entire world. And God is punishing. He's sending us tornadoes, earthquake, storms to give us warning to change. But we are not changing. We continue living in the past. We don't understand this life is a very, very short. Anytime we can die. No guarantee for a 1 years old boy. No guarantee for 10 years. No guarantee for 20, 30, 40, 50 years. 60 years mostly people dies. So why we are worried too much about this love for this life? Yes, it is allowable if somebody attack gave you trouble to go and trouble the people who done it. We have noticed clearly that the person who attacked, they all were killed. Then why we took extra mayat? We took mayat too many. We've gone too far. I'm trying to tell you, bring peace. It's happening from 70 years. How many times we kill leaders? Nothing gonna change. You kill one, 10 more will be produced. This is not gonna work. Peace is the only way to solution. Bring your Torah book and the Gospel and Quran. Read. You all children of Adam and Eve, one parents, one family. Come back to the peace. Otherwise, the people who does not like to have discipline, who does not believe God, they will continue bring a plan to divide you all, to rule the world. Change now. Understand how the Satan works and his team party works. They does not like the rules given in Torah, Gospel, and Quran. So that's why they will not be possible to get peace by killing so many people. Killing leaders is not going to resolve anything. Continue dialogue, continue complaint, continue go and visit, continue ask for help. People will gonna help us. It's time to change. Bring peace. Quran clearly says the Masjid Aqsa way should be a blessing and a peace. Are we doing that? The Gospel says, Torah says that place should be peaceful. Are we providing that peace? What are we doing? Let's change. Let's stop now and let's stop it forever. Let's bring this area to be fruitful and very pleasurable for everybody, visitors. Forever stop something now. Anything happen, any attack happen, that will happen. I mean that this is even in small city of America, any city, there's so many crimes in the world. China, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan. There are crimes every day to day where people are robbing people, people are doing small crimes. We cannot blame the entire nations based on this, because we have to try our best to bring a worshipping place, a source of guidance. They can tell people what's the right way, who fulfill their needs before they commit crimes. So let's do together fix the problem. The wars, the bombs, and this is not going to resolve anything. We've done this. We've done so many times. The result is still the same. We are losing children. We are living not in peace. We are suffering. They are suffering. Entire world is suffering. Let's come back to the path of God. Let's come back to Abrahamic faith. Let's do together, resolve issues. Let's go together, guide other people who have no guidance. They're looking for us. They're looking at us for guidance. And we are wasting time or something which will not going to resolve anything. Please listen to God and His messengers, what their message was to bring the peace. And let's do it. May God bless you all. Take care. Bye.